Welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. It is Jennifer Woolsey, your Avon beauty guide, and we are going to do my must-have products today. So hop in with me. Let's do a quick tutorial and show you all the things I'm loving. So as you know, I share this every video. You have to start with good skincare. If you've never put one makeup product on your face, skincare can help you to have younger looking skin, fresher skin, and healthier skin. So I'm using and obsessed with our new Knox Ultimate Rejuvenating Eye Serum, Rejuvenating Face Serum, and I'm using the day cream and night cream of this complete regimen. It is doing all the things to give my skin this beautiful glow and this healthy appearance, and I'm loving it. I'm loving that I'm seeing less wrinkles. I'm also seeing a little bit more firmness in the jawline area and a little bit more plumpness in the cheeks. So it's doing all the things. Let's hop in and let me go ahead and share with you my favorite makeup products. And this has kind of changed, and it changes from time to time for everybody. But I am a primer girl, so I love the VDL Satin Primer. I've already put that on today. And primer fills in those cracks and those crevices, and it really helps your skin to gives your skin a like a bond for your makeup to stay connected to. And that's really why you want to use a primer. Fills in those cracks and pores, but it gives your makeup something to attract to and to stick to. So that's why you're using a primer. Okay, we're gonna go in now with our Cashmere Complexion Liquid Foundation in shade Cashmere. Love a good liquid foundation, but this one is super special because it's long lasting and it stays with me all day long. There's no creasing, there's no cracking, and it just gives a great finish. Whether your skin's oily or dry, it's still gonna be that perfect foundation for you. So once you find the shade that works for you, and I have a tool I can send you so that you can try different colors and see how it looks for you. I'm gonna use my beauty blender and I'm gonna blend it in. Good morning, Alicia. How are you, sweet girl? I hope that you're doing great today. I'm running a little bit late on my tutorial, but it's okay because I wanted to have time. I wanted to have a few minutes to share with you guys all of my favorite things. So I'm just blending it in gently into the skin. I did wet my beauty blender because I wanted it to not absorb all of that foundation. Now with this foundation, it does have vegan collagen in it, so it's also helping to fill in those pores, those fine lines, those wrinkles, and give it a little bit of extra oomph in your skin. So we are ready to go with our next step, which is our Cashmere Complexion Concealer in shade Matcha. I love this concealer. I'm finally awake. Hey, I'm glad you're awake to catch me. So I'm just gonna do a little triangle. I kind of went a little bit overbound, but that's okay. I'm gonna cover and put a little bit on the top because I primed my eyes, but I want to give that eyeshadow a little bit of extra oomph to stick to. And when you're doing that concealer, it's like putting a base down on your eyelids. So it's a good thing. And it brightens your eyelids if you're like me and have been wearing browns forever and it's kind of tinted your eyelids. A good concealer can help you kind of brighten that eye area. And I'm just bringing it out in a big motion here. There we go. Okay, good deal. Next, I'm going to use my trick. You guys have been watching for a couple of days. You've learned my new trick. I'm using my Satin Mist, which I love. I use this every day. I'm going to spray just a little bit on my hand. I'm going to take that ring finger and pick it up, and I'm just going to lightly pat it in underneath the eye area over where I put that concealer until it dries. And I put a massive amount on my hand. Good morning, Connie. Okay. So I'm just patting it in until it dries, and then watch. Watch the magic. I have to use my towel. Okay, watch the magic. Magix Dust. This is our setting powder. I'm going to take it. Now I'm going to use my fluffy powder brush, and I'm just going to pick it up. I'm just going to put it on top of that setting spray. This is going to help, especially if you have maturing eyes like I do. It's going to help to set that under eye area, brighten that under eye area, and it's not going to look creasy or cracking, and that concealer is not going to set in on those cracks. Which I'm a big fan of not having cracky eyes. Not my jam. How about you guys? Do you like cracky eyes? I'm just taking the rest of that setting powder and I'm putting it on my face. This setting powder is my go-to. It's going to help with oily skin. It's going to calm down that T-zone, keep you from having, you know, oily midday looks. And it's also going to help set your makeup in place. So you've got your primer that did that, and then you've got your powder that did that, and you're kind of on a winning streak, right? So we're going to do Tattoo Station Eye Pencil. I just brushed up my brows to give them a little fluff. We need a little fluff today. And I'm going to go in with like hair-like motions. This pencil is my go-to. It is perfect to help you draw in brows if you need to draw them in, or just fill in patches if you're like me and you have some patchy brows. Now, we are just following it along the line. I'm not creating something that's not already there. I'm really just filling in what is already there. And why do I do brows? If you've been watching me for any period of time, not doing your brows is like putting a picture on the wall without a frame, because they frame your face. Such a difference from one side to the other. Okay. So I've got this side kind of lined the way I want it. And then I'm just filling it in. Yay! And they match. They're twins. So there you go. That's framing your face. Simple and easy. This is shade brown. This Tattoo Station brow pencil is going to stay in place all day. It's not going to go anywhere. It's not going to move on you. It's not going to melt. It's going to stay in place. And your brows are going to be beautiful all day long. Oh, hi, Julia and Sophia. Good morning, girls. How are you today? Okay. We are going to go in now with our Mono Pop palette in shade browns. It's a well-loved palette. I use it often. I'm going to do this color and this color. And I'm going to work this top part of my eye. Now, you know that I have creased eye, or I have hooded eyes. So I'm bringing this up just a little bit higher than you would normally if you do not have hooded eyes. So just a tip, you would want to bring it down closer on your actual crease if you do not have hooded eyes. But I need to give my eyes a little pop. Okay, so I've kind of created an arch there with that. I'm going to go back in with those colors and I'm going to bring it down here. And I'm making a little arrow. Can y'all see my little arrow? It's like a Cupid's bow arrow. There we go. And that is going to help bring your eyes out. You don't really want to extend past where your brows are. But that's going to help bring your brows out. Now, taking my fluffy brush, and I'm going to pull this color of gold and this little bit of light brown. And I'm going to blend that into my arch here. Notice I'm not going darker on this bottom part. I'm going lighter. This Mono Pop palette is definitely my must-have eyeshadow palette. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, we're going to take our other flat brush, and I'm just going to put a little bit of this lighter color, more flesh color in this top part here. And I'm going to highlight underneath that brow bone. Yes! Yes, girls! We are rocking it today. I don't know what it is. There is something about makeup to me that is relaxing. Am I the only one that is like, I just love it. I love to feel pretty. There's just something about it. We're going to do a Glimmer Shadow in shade Moodstone. And I'm going to use this to kind of glam up this eye area a little bit. Just putting a little bit on there. I'm going to take my ring finger. I'm going to blend that in just a little bit. I love our Glimmer Shadows. You can use them without a palette, or you can use them, you know, you can use them just by themselves. They don't crease, which is a huge plus. And they're not going to crack on you. They come in like 8 different shades. I need to get some of the other shades out. Moodstone is just my go-to. It is looking pretty, 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 pretty. Good morning, Faith. How are you? Okay, I'm going to check it. It's hard to tell in my phone if I've blended well. Okay, I think we're blended. So can you see the difference in my hooded eyes, that you can still see some eye color? Yes. Okay. Liquid liner. SuperExtend liquid liner is my go-to eyeliner. It does all the things I want it to do with a smooth application. So pretty. Pretty, pretty. Do you use a liquid shadow? I'm great. I'm having a great morning. It is the end of the week, and things are good. There you go. I'm not going too thick or too heavy with that liner. I'm trying to keep it just at a rate that's going to give me the pop that I want, but it's not too heavy or too thick. I have more mature eyes, so I'm not about going out with that popping heavy dark liner. It's just not my jam. I'm going to use Love Mascara, the regular Love Mascara that's not waterproof. I love this mascara too, and it's still one of my favorites. It doesn't say that it's waterproof on here, Faith. However, I have to scrub it off at night. So I'm venturing to say that yes, it is waterproof. I don't ever have it run, and I wear it all day long. And at nighttime, I'm having to use my eye makeup remover. Not really scrub, but I use my handy dandy eye makeup remover and take it off, and it's usually still in place. So I hope that answers your question. This Love Mascara has these little heart-shaped fibers, the original and the waterproof do. And they just attach to your lashes so beautifully. They extend your lashes, they give them volume. And it just is like it's loving on your lashes, and you can't hate on a product that's loving on your lashes, right? I have a little mascara oopsie because I'm excited because it's a good day. Use my handy dandy Q-tip and got it all fixed up. Maybe. Okay. All fixed up. All right. I'm going to go in now with some blush. I'm using my Blushed in Love palette, and gonna put some of this pink on my cheeks. I'm loving this palette, and luckily it's still available. It hasn't sold out yet, so it's still available on my website. Definitely want to pick one of these up before they are gone. I think they're on sale for like $7.99. Can't beat it. Now I'm taking that highlighter and okay, I'm taking the highlighter and I am putting it on these zones that I want to give a little extra glow to. And look at that shimmer. Look at that shimmer. It's shimmering. All right, let's do our two-tone flat lipstick. And this is, I think, Beige Effects. Yeah, Beige Effect. I love this one. It has a darker and a lighter on there. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of a liner and a lipstick in one. Faith, you work outside, you sweat, I think you're going to love that liquid liner. I think it is going to do all the things that you want it to do to keep that on your face and still keep you looking fresh. So I think that that is going to be everything. Yes, it is the two-tone lip in Beige Effect, and I love this product. Okay, I'm going to take my set and mist and spray it on. Let it set for just a minute. It's going to set my face for the day, and my makeup is not going to go anywhere. It's going to be in place. It's going to be beautiful, and I'm going to be ready to tackle my day. So those are my must-have products. Thank you for watching. If you want help with color matching, let me know. I can definitely help you color match. Drop me a message or a comment. Like this page, share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, do all the things. And thank you guys so much for joining me. I love getting ready with you, and I hope that you pick up a few of these products and try them out, because I think you're gonna love them too. So have a beautiful day, and I'll see you all later. Bye guys.